Right now there's a tornado and we're hiding in a tube. In a play structure, and it's scary. Because this is the most warmest place we could find because everywhere else is really cold.
It's like so windy. Let me videotape the wind. Oh my god, it's freezing. You can't really see the wind, but yeah.
There's the hole out of the tube.
Oh my god!
Whoa!
It's getting worse here!
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Well, okay, so we got ourselves out here really far, out on the other side of the lake, and we have to make ourselves way back. And it's like a tornado right now, and it's really windy.
A puddle? A puddle of water. Okay, let me see. There is? I don't know what I'm going to do.
This tube is really small. It's meant for little children.
Sure? Yeah. Is it big? No. Oh my god, we're not crossing the lake. Oh my god, no. Oh, we're going down.
What the heck's happening out there? Oh no, it's really cold! The wind is going in my ears! Ah! Ah! Oh no! Oh, what's happening? It's really cold. It's cold. It's cold. Oh no! It's cold. It's cold. It's cold.
I'm scared!
We're gonna die!
No, seriously, you guys, it's really windy, like really bad.
It's really...
We're gonna walk in a neighborhood instead of going across the lake because that's horrible. Oh my god, it's crazy!
What?
Oh my god!
We're gonna die.
Oh my god, stop saying that, I don't wanna die.
It's really cold and we're getting really cold.
Tornado.
It's really cold.
Come up here, China!
She fell in a hole!
Oh,
What
there's another one of these down there.
China, where are you?
He's in the tube.
What tube?
There's another tube down there.
Oh. Oh, right there. That tube. Is it warm?
Yes.
I want to go in the tube.
It's a small tube.
Oh man, it's really cold up here.
In here, it's her tube.
Oh god.
Her tube is like half the size of this.
I know, but it's probably warmer.
It's down there. I'm scared. Are you still videotaping this?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Videotaping our beautiful weirdness. Because this is actually really serious, you know. Still recording.
I know.
What? I don't know. Won't your parents get worried, like say, like, oh my god, there's a tornado, they're out there? There's no tornado.
But yeah, true.
It's getting really bad. I'm really scared now.
We're in a tube.
I already told them that.
In a play structure. Wait, who are we gonna show this video to?
I don't know, we're like dying. Why would we show this to people?
Okay, thank God, because I don't want to show it to people. It's weird. We're just like, oh, we're scared.
Oh no, it's going up my shirt! Like the freezingness is up my shirt. China, get in here! It sounds like a stop balloon.
We have more candy. Let's live.
China!
Let's live off our candy.
Hi.
Hi.
It's really cold.
Yeah,
This
you're
is a 4
cute, dude.
4-minute video I'm making.
Guys, come in here.
We're in a tube.
I got some M&Ms.
Tube.
Ah! Here's some M&Ms. Somebody take some M&Ms.
I think I should end this video
Yes.
now. It's getting really windy. It's even windier.